Hey there, data enthusiasts. Welcome back to Data Analysis. I'm your guide, Data Analyst, and today we're diving into a quick and captivating exploration of two fundamental data visualization techniques, bar graphs and histograms. Ready to uncover the secrets in just 2 minutes? Let's get started. Key points. Bar graphs show categorical data, while histograms show continuous data. Bar graphs have spaces between the bars, while histograms have no spaces between the bars. Bar graphs have bars of equal width, while histograms can have bars of different widths. Bar graphs can have bars in any order, while histograms have bars in ascending order. You can create bar graphs and histograms in RStudio using functions from the base R package or the ggplot2 package. We all know that numbers speak louder when visualized. That's where bar graphs and histograms come in. Let's start with bar graphs. Imagine you have categorical data to compare, like A, B, C, and D. In under a minute, you have a compelling bar graph that tells your story. But hey, don't limit yourself. Upgrade to ggplot2 for a sleeker look. Transition to ggplot2 bar graph code, and there you have it, a bar graph that's not just informative, but also visually impressive. Now, let's talk histograms. Ever wondered about your data's distribution? Histograms have your back. Transition to the code snippet of creating a histogram, bam! Your data story unfolds with a quick histogram. Customize the bins for insights tailored to your needs. And if you're up for the modern touch, ggplot2's got your back here too. Transition to ggplot2 histogram code, just a few lines of code, and your data's distribution is right in front of you. But wait, there's more. Bar graphs are great for comparing categories, while histograms dive deep into distributions. Choose wisely based on your data story. Before we wrap up, I know you've got questions. Let's answer some quick ones. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a data-packed episode. This is Data Analyst from Data Analysis, signing off. Stay curious.